In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up a basic web server using Apache on AWS EC2 instance that we have created in our last tutorial. Step 1. Connect to your EC2 instance. Connect to your Ubuntu EC2 instance using AWS EC2 Connect from the web browser. Step 2. Update package lists. Run sudo apt update to update the package lists on your Ubuntu instance. Step 3. Install Apache. Install the Apache web server by executing command sudo apt install Apache2. Step 4. Start Apache. Once Apache is installed, check if the Apache service is running or not by running the following command sudo systemctl status Apache2. Apache service is active and running. Step 5. Enable Apache to start on boot. To ensure that Apache starts automatically whenever your EC2 instance is restarted, run the command sudo systemctl enable Apache2. Step 6. Verify Apache installation. Let's see if the default Apache page is available on localhost. If Apache is installed and running correctly, you should see the Apache default page, indicating that the web server is up and running. Open a web browser and enter your EC2 instance's public IP address or public DNS name in the address bar. Here the page is not loading, that is because the HTTP requests from Internet are blocked on our EC2 instance. Step 7. Configure security groups. Ensure that your EC2 instance's security group allows inbound traffic on port 80, HTTP, so that users can access your website. To do this, we will go back to our AWS EC2 dashboard and update security group of our EC2 instance. Click on Security, then on the attached security group from the list. Click on Edit Inbound Rules and Add Rule. Type will be HTTP. Source will be 0.0.0.0, which is anywhere from the Internet. Save rule. Retry the request on public IP address of the instance. Reload is not working, we will try the same request in new tab. OK, the page is loading now. Step 8. Serve your own content. You can now place your website files in the /var/www/html directory on your EC2 instance to serve your own content. You can use tools like SCP or SFTP to transfer files from your local machine to your EC2 instance. Depending on your requirements, you may need to configure Apache further, such as setting up virtual hosts or enabling HTTPS using SSL/TLS certificates. That's it. You've now set up a basic web server using Apache on your Ubuntu EC2 instance. Users can access your website by entering your EC2 instance's public IP address or public DNS name in their web browser. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.